Hey everybody, I'm Shine. In this series, Wisconsin State Park Trails, I'm going to visit all of Wisconsin's 64 state parks and post 3 to 5 minute videos of my day hikes. My intent is to provide information, interesting factoids, and maybe inspiration to get outdoors and do a day hike in one or several of our terrific state parks. And I promise you, I will never intentionally monetize this channel. I have a passion for making videos and for getting out in nature. And my goal for this channel is to share that with a broad audience. So, let's go! And then we're coming right straight to Allen Lake, along with the Hallestad House. More about that later. So peaceful on this day. Over here, we're looking at a pine forest that I'm going to be walking through shortly. There's some different terrains along this trail. This is what one might encounter this time of year in the late winter, early spring. A little bit of mud, not too bad, really. It's overall mostly sandy, so I think the water tends to seep out quite nicely. And we get to this big wide open area here. Isn't that a pleasant sight at the end of a long winter? It's windy today, and as such, very cold. Once I got hiking, then it wasn't too bad. But the start of it, yeah, it was a bit frigid, even with the sun out. Overall, it's a very early spring, or I guess you could call it a late winter day, and quite pleasant to be out here. It's totally boarded up. I suspect for the winter, that's what's going on here. But I've been here in the summer. It's kind of a neat thing. This plaque tells the story of the Hallestads a little bit. And when you go inside, you can see some old artifacts, some of the furniture. It's pretty cool. And it's all part of admission. There's no anything extra here. Real beautiful setting here, just upstream or uphill from the lake, from the river. So it's quite peaceful. Of another great day at Hartman Creek State Park. How fun it is to be outside, walking around the lake, seeing waterfall and all sorts of other birds. I heard a lot more than I think the microphones captured. There's a lot of bird life out here, and if I were to sit still, especially in the quieter parts or around the lakes, it would all be there to be observed and heard, and just be a part of. The wind through the trees, through the pines, through the oak forest was just extremely soothing, comforting, cleared my head out completely. I am so ready to get back to the world, get back to life. Thanks for tuning in. This has been super fun, let's go, let's get outside and check out some more parks. We'll see you next time.